There's a weather front that's coming through today, and then there's another one that's coming through tomorrow night. So, this is what we're going to be doing today.
Breaking out the fireball.
I need some glacier ice.
See what Kai thinks of it.
He's like, no, thank you.
He didn't do his paw flick. I'm surprised. Usually he goes, but he doesn't like something.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We're just trying to kill some time right now. Just hoping this front passes by, leave early in the morning, and hopefully we can make it to Haines. Wow, so we made it to Skagway, and it was such a blast downwind sailing. All right, so we just made a fireweed, dandelion, spruce tip, and beach green salad garnished with yarrow, spruce tips, dandelion flour, and then mozzarella cheese, green olives, topped off with a zesty Italian dressing. Here, buddies. Come here, little buddies. Where's our crabs at?
I was like, ooh, there they are.
Yep. All right. There they are, hanging out down there. Good mondo. That's big crab.
He's gonna get Kai.
This guy's feisty. Whoa. Ah, he's good today. This one is super feisty. Good job, Kai. There we go. Let's cook these puppies up.
He's begging. He's on the hunt for crab. He's like, give that to me. He's like, give it to me. I want the crab. He's like, I got a piece. Oh, you got some of it. Good job. Do you want it? You can have the claw. There's a little.
Featured art from this episode is Sullivan Island Sunset, which can be found on our website at adventurelives.com/shop.